Welcome to Brick and Mortarless Furniture. Check this out. This is a big issue, and I got the solution. This battery is good for 250 uses. Charge it for 24 hours and simply plug it in. Tuck under and enjoy it anywhere in the floor. Get rid of the cords. This is the Jet by Omnia Leather. Full power. It has lumbar support, zero gravity, which means that your feet go above your ears, one of our favorite features. The headrest is power as well, so you can kind of stop in any spot that you want. That's important to me. When you're watching TV, you kind of don't want to be all the way back, or you do, you know, if you want to look at the ceiling. But personally, I like to bring it forward so I can look at the TV. This has a Leggett and Platt mechanism. Now there's going to be a return home button, so you push it and everything will go back to normal. Made in Chino, California in 6 weeks. There's a USB port on the side tucked away under on the pillow arms. There are different arms available. This is about as custom as it gets. Many different top grain leathers, different fabrics to choose from. Let us sit down with you and go over all the details. 6455 Dean Martin Drive. This, it sells itself. I mean, this is amazing quality that you can feel the instant that you touch it. The stitching, the quality of the leather. Come check it out. That's Omnia Leather at Brick and Mortarless Furniture's Design Center. Let me just show you a few of our favorite leathers. This can be some fun projects. The stamped leathers, those are unbelievable. You're typically not going to do that on a full sectional, maybe an accent chair. These are grade 4s. These are some of our favorites. Little middle grade at 3. Another 3. Another 3. So we got a lot that are in 3. These are also in 3. Beautiful choices. I mean, this leather speaks for itself. This is a grade 2. And here's the grade 1. Let us show you more. I'm telling you, this is worth checking out.